Hello everybody and welcome back. I'm going to do a DIY and this is actually going to be a hair Brett holder that'll hold my granddaughter's ponytails and headbands and things like that. So I have an H for hair because they didn't have a K for Kylene or N for Nevaeh. So I went ahead and got an H. And the other thing you'll need is some type of paint. It's acrylic paint, and it's kind of like a turquoise color. That's what it looks like in the jar. And then some ribbon. It doesn't matter what kind of ribbon you use. I've got these two, the pink and the gray. I may change the colors, I'm not sure. Once I get it painted, I'll be able to see whether that's what I want, if I want that color. And you need a paintbrush and some scissors, and you'll need a hot glue gun. But I'm going to go ahead and get started and start painting this. And then once I get it painted, I'm going to put a clear coat on top of it. I don't know if I need to do 1 or 2 coats, but we shall see if 1 will be enough. I think it's going to be a pretty color. I actually love this color. Reminds me of the beach. You guys can use whatever color you want that fits your guys's. Like my granddaughter's room is in, it's in pink and purple and white, but my granddaughter's favorite color, they like turquoise and pink, and I could actually hang this in the bathroom because their bathroom is got these colors in it. So, but I'm always searching for headbands, and I have a little suitcase that I use, like a caboodle that I use for their headbands, but this might be a little easier to grab. And we'll see how it turns out. I'll probably make one for each of them for their house, so they have them. They're nice to display your bows, and then you can see what you have, because they like to coordinate their bows with the colors that they're wearing. So and you could use the sponge brush if you want. I have some of those too also. I thought I'd just try this one. And I think I might just do 1 coat. It looks like it might look pretty good with just the 1 coat. So we shall see. I love painting. It's relaxing. I love doing any kind of crafts. Very relaxing. It's a beautiful day today. Covered. And you could decorate your H, put some bling on it if you wanted to. And I may do that at the end. I might be able to staple the ribbon onto it instead of hot glue it. I'm going to try a couple different things and then let you guys know what will work best. I guess it depends on how durable you need it to be. If your little girls are rough about grabbing stuff. The other thing you can do with these letters, I got this at Walmart. It was like $1. I think it was like under $1.30. But I've taken pictures, just regular pictures printed on regular paper and Mod Podged it on it. And they are so cute. So I will have to do one like that. I guess I could have done that with this one since it's for the girls. But I'll have to do one so you guys can see what it would look like. I think I have an S over there for Sophia, a little girl that I used to nanny for. I had got her a letter to put up here in the craft room, and I haven't got it up, so maybe I could go ahead and use it and Mod Podge it with pictures so you guys can see what it looks like. But I'm going to let this dry. As you can see, it's almost done. Like I said, I think I might just stay with one coat. It looks pretty good. So I will be back after this dries.